Reverend Principal, Father Dr. John PJ, Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Sonia Korean, Dean Academics, Father Jomi Penitas, respected teachers and dear students. Today we have gathered here for a very special purpose as we are observing the Anti-Ragging Day, which is as per the notifications and the guidelines issued by the University Grants Commission and Ministry of Education, Government of India, to promote conducive learning environment in the college and to build a strong reciprocal bond between the management, teachers and the newly inducted students. We have the Anti-Ragging Committee, which plays a very significant and an important role. Manju Madam has already introduced the members of the Anti-Ragging Committee, and we are blessed to have our principal as the president of the Anti-Ragging Cell. The functioning of the Anti-Ragging Committee was already explained to you during the college orientation program as well as at the time of departmental orientation program in the first week of July. Dear students, ragging is a crime punishable by law. Ragging is strictly prohibited in all the educational institutions as per the directives issued by the Supreme Court of India. Ragging creates a kind of toxic environment in any educational institution, and the victims of ragging generally undergo depression, low self-esteem, intense fear, and it mentally affects the students. Here at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, we are very strict pertaining to ragging. Dear students, this is my 21st year in BSS as a faculty member, and in these 21 years, I have never seen a single case of ragging being registered in the campus. I mean to say, we are so strict pertaining to ragging. However, if there is any kind of harassment by the seniors, bullying by the seniors, misbehavior by the seniors, the matter should be immediately brought to the notice of the Anti-Ragging Committee. We have displayed the Anti-Ragging helpline number in all the notice boards and at all prominent places in the college. It is our moral responsibility to enforce the college code of conduct and to ensure a ragging-free campus. And for this, we need the support and cooperation of each and every student. My sincere wishes to all first-year students, wishing you all a very bright, promising and a peaceful academic year. Thank you.
और अब हम बात कर रहे हैं आपकी सुरक्षा की, और आप व्यवधान नहीं डालेंगे। एंटी रैगिंग क्या है, कैसे आपका बचाव होना है, इसके लिए बहुत शानदार स्किट पेश करने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैं आमंत्रित कर रही हूँ हमारे सीनियर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर विनय मिश्रा को, और साथ ही बाकी मेंबर्स आएंगे साई कॉस्मोस क्लब के, जो मंच पर आपके लिए शानदार स्किट प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं।
Ragging, a form of bullying and hazing, has been a pervasive issue in educational institutions worldwide, often leading to several psychological and physical harm for the victims. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Anti-ragging measures are crucial in creating a safe and conducive learning environment for students. So we, the students of Department of Psychology, are here to present a skit on the topic, Ragging is not cool. So here it begins. A bright and sunny morning, first day of college, new journey. It's the time when you make new bonds and enjoy transition from school to college. We all are excited to think about how college life will be. However, it's not the same for everyone. Ankit and Nandini, one of the students, pumped up with excitement for their first day at college. They waited for this day for months, and here it was.
फाइनली यार कॉलेज का पहला दिन. अरे ये कौन है? हे व्हाट्स योर नेम?
मेरा नाम my name is Nandini. Nandini was shy and nervous interacting with someone for the first time in college. After a little chit-chat, both Ankit and Nandini proceeded to the canteen, unaware of what is going to happen next. While entering the canteen, Ankit accidentally bumped into a senior.
ओह सो सॉरी भैया.
भैया एक सेकंड, तू फर्स्ट ईयर का है? फिर सॉरी से तो काम नहीं चलेगा बच्चे. चल गेट ऑन योर नीज एंड देन से सॉरी.
दिस इज नॉट राइट भैया. रैगिंग इज नॉट अलाउड.
अबे तू जानता भी है मैं कौन हूँ? इसको बोल मैं कौन हूँ.
मैं कौन हूँ?
अबे मैं कौन हूँ?
आप कौन हो?
तू किसकी साइड है? हटा. तू सुन, तू हमें मत बता क्या सही है और क्या गलत. जितना बोला है उतना कर.
ये वीडियो तो पक्का वायरल होगा. Ankit was humiliated in front of the entire college, then abused again in front of Nandini. This instance was traumatizing for him. The next day, Ankit and Nandini were heading towards their class, and suddenly they saw them, the seniors.
ओह नो सीनियर्स. फिर से नहीं यार. आई डोंट वांट टू फील बैड अगेन.
Seeing them, the seniors passed miserable comments and constantly made fun of them.
अरे सर इसका वेट तो चेक करना जरा.
हाँ रुक.
Ankit somehow escaped from the situation. He was hoping that this could be only for one day, only to discover that this is going to get even worse in the coming days. For the bullies, this may be just a pleasure and fun activity, but for Ankit, it was more than just humiliation. Sports period, a time to chit-chat, play games and have fun with your friends. Ankit had a keen interest in playing basketball. He even enrolled for the college basketball team. While Ankit was practicing, they appeared, the seniors, those devils again.
चल साइड हट. लेट अस प्ले नाउ. वैसे भी तू खेल कर क्या करेगा? बास्केट करने के लिए बास्केट तक पहुंचना भी पड़ता है. और जैसा तू है.
नहीं हटूंगा मैं. दिस इज नॉट राइट.
क्यों? क्या बोला? हाँ क्या बोला?
आराम से. ये ऐसे नहीं समझेगा.
The seniors pushed Ankit violently on the ground, humiliating him further.
You are weak Ankit. पूरा मूड खराब कर दिया.
As Ankit was leaving the basketball court, he saw the other students pointing and gossiping about him. He later got to know that the seniors have made a video of him being bullied and it went viral.
अरे ये तो वही है जिसकी वीडियो वायरल हुई थी. My God, look at him.
Several mean and disgusting comments were left on the video. Instead of empathizing with him, people online were laughing and roasting him, scarring Ankit mentally. Ankit could not even process what was happening, and how could he even live like this? At this point, he stopped going to college and socializing with anyone.
I can't go to college now. Those bloody seniors will bully me again. I didn't know the college would turn out to be hell. मुझे नहीं जानना. मुझे किसी से नहीं मिलना. बस हो गया. I can't fight this. It's better if I just end my life.
The next day, it was time for the lecture. The professor shows a video to students and asks them to pay attention to it. I quit. वो चली गई. काश उसे रोक पाती. Wow! Finally, I get to college.
तुझे क्या हुआ?
जी मैं वो भैया
भैया रिश्ते बनाने आई है यहाँ पे?
भैया ये सब यहाँ नहीं चलता है। यहाँ पे सर और मैम बोलना होता है। और तू हीरोइन इधर आ। हाँ तू आज के बाद ऐसे एप्रिल में दिख मत जाना, समझ रही है? और ये मुंह क्या बना रही है?
चलो टाइम हो गया, कल देखते हैं।
ऐसे कैसे बोला मुझको? ये कौन होते हैं? और एप्रिल यहाँ नहीं पहनूं तो और कहाँ पहनूं? इन्होंने बोला और मैंने मान लिया। बकवास। अरे तुझे क्या हुआ? टेंशन मत ले, सब देख लेंगे अपन। चले? ओके क्लास, गो होम एंड स्टडी।
क्लियर है?
ओए, तुझे क्या नोटिशन देना पड़ेगा खड़े होने का? अरे ये तो वही है ना, एप्रिल वाली।
सेल्फी क्वीन।
अरे हाँ, वो कहाँ गई तेरी बहना? ये ब्लू कुर्ता।
खड़ी हो। What's your name?
My name is आगे शारदा विश्वकर्मा।
अच्छा, शारदा।
नहीं गाइस, शारदा विश्वकर्मा। बहुत हुआ, चुप करो। और तू संभल चल लो, नजरें नीचे नीचे। और तू सीधी खड़ी रह। तुझे परमिशन किसने दी कॉलेज ऐसे आने की? ये तेरे फ्लिक्स, काजल, लिपस्टिक, ब्राइट टी शर्ट, कोई दिख रहा है वैसे ऐसे? कोई दिख रहा है? टकटकी नीचे बोलो।
कबूतर है, कबूतर है, कबूतर है, कबूतर है। बाद में निपटते हैं।
ये जो सिलसिला एक बार शुरू हुआ वो रुका नहीं। इसमें कमी नहीं, सिर्फ इजाफा हुआ। मैंने पल पल उस चुलबुली कियारा को मरते देखा है। उसकी चंचलता के पीछे उसकी खींच को देखा है। मैंने उस अजय कियारा को टूटकर बिखरते हुए देखा है।
क्यों? बहुत शौक है तुझे गाने का? अब बहुत हो गया शारदा, अब मैं और नहीं सह सकती।
तुम पागल हो गई हो क्या कियारा? क्या नाम से ना बोले जा रही है?
मैं बोल रही हूँ, कंप्लेन कर देनी चाहिए। क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ? डॉक्टर बनने आए थे, नौकर बनाकर छोड़ा है। सारा दिन गधा हम वाली। कैसे होगा? कल एग्जाम है, क्या करें? बस बहुत हुआ, अब हमें कंप्लेन कर देनी चाहिए।
अरे परेशान तो हम भी हैं, पर शिकायत कर देने से हल थोड़ी निकलेगा, मुसीबत और बढ़ जाएगी। सुबह से शाम तक इन्हीं लोगों के साथ यहीं रहना है, इसी कॉलेज में रह के सारा डिग्री कंप्लीट करना है। कैसे होगा ये? कंप्लेन कर देने से कोनो हल नहीं निकलेगा। तुम सब अनाप शनाप ना सोचो, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो। कियारा, 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 कियारा रुको, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता। कियारा, काश उस दिन मैंने उसकी बात मान ली होती। उस दिन कियारा अकेली नहीं गई, उस दबी और सहमी में शारदा को भी साथ ले लिया।
Everyone gathers for the lecture. But wait, where is Ankit? Where is he? Let's find out.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So, how was the video? But first things first. Let's get done with your attendance. Akash,
Present, sir.
Anjali,
Present, sir.
Anil,
Present, sir.
Ankit. Where is Ankit? He's been absent for a few days now. Nandini, you and Ankit are both friends. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Where he is?
Sir, actually, Ankit is... I don't know, sir.
Okay. Anyone else knows about the whereabouts of Ankit? No? Okay. So, let's move to the video. What are your thoughts on this? कैसी लगी ये video? Come on. You're welcome with all your responses. Yes, Akash?
Sir, this video shows us the side effects of ragging.
Yes. So, what do you think are the daily challenges in a student's life at college?
So, it can be assignments, studies, coaching and so on.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. And for these reasons, do you know that 30% of your class students are actually overwhelmed? If that is not handled properly, this can lead to a lot of problems later on in life. So tell me, have you ever experienced something like this? What do you think would be your first step of action in such a case? Yes, Anjali?
Sir, we should always inform our professors and teachers first.
Absolutely. Nandini, you want to say something?
Sir, I lied.
Light?
I know where Ankit is. He's hospitalized, sir.
Hospitalized? What? But why? What happened?
Because, sir, he could not take it anymore. He could not take the pain of the bullying he was experiencing every day. हाँ, वो था डरपोक. वो डरता था कि अगर उसने किसी को बता दिया तो क्या होगा, अगर उसने खुद के लिए स्टैंड लिया तो उसका क्या होगा. लोग हंसेंगे, वही लोग जो डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी को ये तो पागल है कहते हैं, वही लोग जो ट्रॉमा को इसका तो मूड खराब रहता है कहते हैं, वही लोग जो रैगिंग को ये तो सीनियर जूनियर वाली बात है कहते हैं. उन सीनियर्स के लिए तो रैगिंग बस कुछ देर की खुशी थी, लेकिन अंकित के लिए.
Nandini, do you know any of these bullies?
Yes, sir, I know one of them. He is in 3rd year.
Okay, call him right now. The others can leave. Class dismissed. This is completely unacceptable in this college. Did that student even realize what he was doing?
Yes, you called me?
Yes, I did. Do you know who Ankit is?
Ankit, ये कौन है?
To just refresh your memory, he is one of your junior and he's the one whom you bullied.
Bullied? हाँ. तो क्या हुआ सर? मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. आजकल तो ये हर कहीं हो रहा है. थोड़ी मजाक मस्ती तो चलती है. हाँ, मैं क्या करूँ अगर कोई वीक है तो.
बस इसी मजाक मस्ती के कारण वो आज एडमिटेड है हॉस्पिटल में.
एडमिटेड हॉस्पिटल? पर मुझे
इधर आओ मेरे साथ.
At the hospital, Ankit confronted the bully in order to make him realize his mistake.
अब कुछ याद आया?
Is he that first year student?
Yes. Remember that viral video you posted just for the likes and for those pitiful comments?
Sir, yes, sir.
He's not just a student of first year, but he's also a victim of ragging, and that too in the times that we live in. तुम्हें पता है, इसी मजाक मस्ती के कारण you unknowingly or maybe even knowingly left a mental scar on someone for their entire life. That too at a time when someone is at a stage of preparing for a career and leading a purposeful life. Acha, tell me one thing. Why do you think it is cool to bully someone?
I don't know. It just makes me feel like I'm in control of everything. Like my childhood.
Childhood? Would you like to talk about it?
अब क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Throughout my childhood, I felt like an outsider. I always felt that my presence did not matter. Bullying someone made me feel noticed. It gave me all the attention I always needed in my life.
You know, we all have bad experiences in our lives. We fall, then rise. But it depends on us how and in what way do we learn from these experiences. Healthy relationships in college set the ground for good mental health and also a meaningful life ahead. But something like this can have a lifelong negative impact and can seriously affect one's progress in life. You know, I could have simply rusticated you without even a warning given to you in a single minute. And your whole career would have actually been ruined. But do you know why I didn't do it?
Why, sir?
Because I knew there is still some good left in you that does not want to hurt or trouble anyone. I understand that you have had a tough childhood, for which I am completely sympathetic. But that does not mean you will go on to spread hatred. Keep in mind, you can only defeat hatred with nothing but love.
I am extremely sorry, sir. I'll make sure that I never repeat it again. But I was so caught up in being noticed and grabbing all that attention that I even forgot the line between the good and the bad. But now, looking back, I feel like I have done nothing but destroyed lives.
I believe you know that someone else here deserves an apology more than me.
I'm sorry, bro. I really got carried away by my emotions and I couldn't realize the damage I was inflicting. Sorry, sir. अब ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Hey, इधर आओ. ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. Get down on your knees and then say sorry to him.
This was a dramatization of something that may happen in a college. However, in real life, it calls for stringent actions by college authorities for acts like these. ऐसे ही कई हजारों अंकित आज भी रैगिंग का शिकार बनते हैं and not everybody gets out of it alive. Reason being the lack of facilities in college to prevent ragging. But our college, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, takes adequate measures mandated by the UGC to prevent any case of bullying and to provide a ragging-free environment to the students. So with this, we take a pledge to never indulge in any kind of bullying or ragging. ना हम ragging करेंगे, ना कभी होने देंगे.
So, let's take a pledge against ragging. I will say in BSS and all of you say no ragging. We'll do that 3 times. Are you ready? In BSS.
No